2 years ago, 7 leaders came together to dream about a new era of missions and evangelism for the world, where the everyday believer was activated to reach their mission field, whether they're neighbors or the nations. That dream became a reality on February 23rd, 2019, where 60,000 of us joined together with 250,000 online to unite around Jesus and declare a war on inaction. But from the start, we knew it would take more than one stadium. The war on inaction has only begun, and the time to send is not just for the few, but for everyone. We can't stop until a whole generation has been activated, until the whole world has heard the sound of go. October 2020, we are calling 70,000 believers to gather together in Arrowhead Stadium in Kansas City for a catalytic gathering to make the sound of go so loud a whole generation could hear.